Here we are with Pete and Meggers. There's Kira.
This is not quite used to the craziness.
And here's Pete and Meg. Whoa. Meggers! What are you doing? Whoa. What are you doing? There goes Pete. He's doing laps.
Are you being a doggy?
Woof, woof.
Nice auntie.
Nice, Auntie. Oh, that was nice. Oh, thank you. Uncle Mike feels abused.
These kids are playing rough.
Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, no, Meggers. Uh-oh, we have it on film.
You're tough, aren't you, Pete? Pete's used to it.
Oh, we have two doggies here.
Oh, watch out with your hands.
Oh, we got a bunch of animals. What are you guys? Oh, watch out, Pete. Don't get too close. Oh, there's a one orange dog. Go get him, Meggers.